Never walked with a bird like this before. Have you? Hey, praise God for that though. Cause if that didn't just do that, you wouldn't believe me. That is fucking great. Can't believe it. What the frick? What the frick? Hey, anyway, whoa, whoo, I gotta stop for a second, man. Pull out a cigarette, cause that was some pretty intense ass stuff. What just happened right there? Twist the two sticks, they become entangled. Look, you got a crazy sky watch going on out here at the same time. And I'll tell you this, the rabbits are going freaking crazy. Look, there's the coil right here. See a couple coils there, couple coils there. You know what I'm saying? So it's fucking crazy sky watch already too. Oh, it's weird. I see something red off over the horizon there. You got a little bit of weird sky snake looking, especially there with them 3 layers. But once again, look, I'm only passing through this area, so best not to just hang around too long and get comfortable. You know what I'm saying?